We'll guide you through how to change and adjust margins in a PDF. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a PDF and I want to change and adjust the margins of it. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Perhaps you want to do this before you go and print it out, or there's another reason why. You can make them smaller or bigger as well, so we're going to guide you through how this can be done. What you want to do is go and open up a browser of your choice. Personally, I use Chrome, but you could use Edge, it doesn't matter. For this, we are going to be using a Google service, so come to google.com and you'll need to be signed in. If you don't have an account, press sign in the top right and there's a create account button there. Then on Google, press Google Apps in the top right and you can go and press Drive. Here, you need to go to the top left and press New, press File Upload, and you can then go and find it. So I've got it on my desktop, so I can select it and press Open. I'll just go and press Keep Both Files and press Upload. And we can then go and click on it in the bottom right in the Uploads. You can then press Open with Google Docs at the top and wait for it to load. It shouldn't go and take much longer. As you can see, here it is. Now come to the top left and you can press File, go down and you can press Page Setup, and now you can come into the margins down here. So what you can then do is go and type them as you want them. So I could go and change the left to 1 and the right to 1 as well. Change the top to 1 as well. Then press OK, and that's it. You've now changed them. Now we can press File in the top left, hover over Download and press PDF, and it'll go and download.